it's Greg with Reality REI. Tip of the day coming to you from the Arley Gardens Light Spectacular over in Wilmington, North Carolina. And the tip of the day is if you are redoing a condo, make sure that you check and you want to like replace the flooring, let's say with hardwood flooring or something like that, or you know, something besides carpeting. And make sure you check with your condo association first. You're probably going to have to put down like a cork board or something that's going to soundproof that, so that way the folks below you are not going to be upset about you making a ton of noise when you're walking around. So just check with your condo association first. They should have a good idea of what they require as far as a, you know, again, a cork or some kind of membrane that's going to be a sound dampener. So you don't want your guys installing like LVT hardwood floors, possibly, depending where you're at. The tiling may be an issue as well, though I don't know why you'd use tile, but just keep that in mind when you're replacing carpeting on a condo with some kind of solid flooring. So it's Greg with Reality REI tip of the day, coming to you from Arley Gardens Lights Show during the Christmas season in Wilmington, North Carolina. Make it a great day.
Mistletoe hung where you can't see. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once for me.